Hey guys, well this is my 1979 Pontiac Firebird. She's the Formula model, factory 301. Just been restoring it basically for the last couple of years, so it's gradually getting there. So now that I've done a bit of work to it, I just sort of show it off to you guys. So basically it's all been resprayed now. Any rust was there is all gone. I've taken a little bit of liberty with the paint job. Original colour though, it's a Sierra copper, but I've taken the strips up the middle of the bonnet there. I've seen it done on a couple of cars, which actually looks quite good, so I thought I'd just do it on this one. But all the decals been put back on again, original Rally 2 wheels. Everything as per factory. So as I was saying, numbers matching car, engine, gearbox, the whole lot. All original interior. But actually cleans up really well, this one. Factory automatic, as you can see. Everything as it should be, including out the back here. Only difference of course is the stereo was put in at some stage during the 80s, as you can see there. But I have found an original 8-track for it, which I'm dying to put in. Should be fun. But yeah, apart from that, she's all nice and stock. Anyway, so I've only just sort of gotten it back, but we've well, I have managed to put a new motor in it. Well, by new I mean fully reconditioned the 301 in it. I wanted to keep it a matching numbers car. I thought everyone else sort of mentions to probably get rid of the 301 because they're a shocking motor and put something else in there, but you know, like a 400. But I like the idea of having something a little bit different. So just going with that, I'm just going to put this down. Okay, so I did make some modifications to the motor. Oh, there we go. So, all under here. 301, as you can see. Tied up all the engine bay, everything redone on this thing in terms of reconditioned everything under here. Everything works as it should. The one big addition of course is under here, where I put a MSD fuel injection system on. So don't know if anyone else has actually ever put one of these things on a stock 301 or in a standard 301 NA, that is. It's something a little bit different, but to help it breathe better, I actually had to put on some, oh, you can't really see down here, but I have some hooker headers on it. The problem is you don't make them, or they don't make them anymore for the 301. So I had to fit 400 ones in, and being a lower deck height on the 301, they actually do hang down quite low. So I'll see if I can just try and find underneath here. Oh. So, as you can see, they do sit quite low. And this is a stock height car, so I'm only, oh god, I'm probably only about 3 inches above the ground here. I wouldn't even say even that, to be honest. So I just got to be careful over some of the speed humps. Exhaust is a twin 2¼ inch. Problem is that before I redid the motor, it was already a bit on the loud side, so I had MagnaFlow resonators put on, but no mufflers. So I've yet to change all that yet. So I don't know if you can see up under here, but yeah, it's just simply some resonators under there. I'm thinking about putting on some Flowmaster 40s just to quieten it down a little bit. Get it down so it's a bit respectable and so my neighbours don't yell at me. Anyway, that's basically how it is. I'd like to start it up, and I'll start up a little bit. And sort of have a bit of a here, but anyway, she hasn't been fully tuned up yet, but she's getting there. Running super sweet. And then you're at the back, that is it. about a notch. Anyway, guys, just wanted to show her off. I'm a bit proud of how she turned out. So, thanks a lot, guys.